I'm over here watching Joe Tegmeyer. He's a drone pilot that flies over Giga, Texas on pretty much on a daily basis. Just kind of give you an update of the construction process that's going on as far as Tesla in Texas. And the reason I wanted to make this video is because while everybody's so focused on FSD and the robots and um, uh, the robo taxis, the roaster, the AI, one thing that is very um, noticeable if you're watching Tesla from a investor standpoint. Of course, this is not investment advice. The fact that Tesla is continuing to build out their Giga Texas, let alone what they're probably doing in Germany, Giga Berlin, and then what they're probably doing over in I guess it's Giga China. Needless to say, Tesla is always building out their infrastructure, and for a company that would be going out of business, you wouldn't be building, you would be dismantling, because you have to find ways of reallocating um, your your money to continue to try to improve your business operations or logistics. So I'm just making this just an additional data point for you to take in consideration when it comes to potentially investing in Tesla. That outside of all the things that they're doing with their, because I have a Cybertruck myself, and I still don't have the FSD 14 at all. I don't have 14.1. I have 14.1.5, whatever they're at right now. But with Elon trying to get this pay package tomorrow, and taking this Tesla from 1.5 trillion to 8.5 trillion as a retail investor versus an institutional, it's in my best interest to let him get his pay package if he's going to be able to scale up Tesla to be one of the most valuable companies in the world. So once again, Joe Tegmeyer, who does these drone footages, covers the entire landscape in between new power grids being put in, their Cortex 2, they're building a whole new building specifically for their training. And of course, they got the chips on the way, the AI5 chips on the way. But the fact that they're doing construction, they continue to do construction, I highly doubt that GM is doing this. I highly doubt Ford is doing this. I highly doubt Stellantis is doing this. Any of the European companies, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, the Chinese are probably trying to do what they're trying to do. But as far as investing in a company like Tesla, once again, it's not financial advice. This is just another data point to say the fact that they're building out this Giga Texas, to me, is a positive.